Wondering if key fob protection from THISCar is right for you? Let's talk about it. Since most of us haven't used an old-fashioned key to manually unlock a car door in a while, we can all agree technology is pretty awesome, especially when your arms are full of kids, grocery bags, or both. Unfortunately, that same tech that we can't live without now makes key fobs pretty spendy to replace. So we offer a key fob replacement plan, which means you get a fresh key fob if it ever gets broken, lost, or stolen, including replacing other keys you lost at the same time, like house, office, or garage keys. And since the lost key could be inside your car, our plan comes with 24/7 lockout help too, and road assistance, and towing, and jumping, so you'll never be left out in the cold. We like to think of it as a new level of security for something you never think about until it's too late, which can, funnily enough, sometimes be the keys. As a bonus, this protection also comes with our THISCar Peace of Mind Promise, which includes alternate transportation and trip interruption benefits, so you'll never get stuck without a ride. It even covers lodging and meals if you get stranded away from home, because we believe online car buying should go beyond the basics. If you have any questions, simply ask. We're always here to help you, not sell you. At THISCar, we're all about getting you exactly what you want.